Potholes are an increasing problem on Britain's roads, causing as many as 1 in 10 mechanical failures and presenting a potential safety hazard. Obvious signs of pothole damage include wheels that are cracked or buckled, or tyres with lumps or cuts. However, some issues are less obvious and may go undetected without a more thorough inspection. For example, damage to components in the steering and suspension systems are less obvious than wheel and tyre damage, but can result in significant reductions in driving safety. Damaged anti-roll bar components can result in the vehicle swaying or rolling excessively during cornering, while broken coil springs or damaged shock absorbers can cause bouncing or sliding when driving on uneven, winding roads. Damaged steering components reduce steering accuracy and increase tyre wear. Although a single heavy pothole hit can cause immediate serious damage, the cumulative effect of hitting several smaller potholes over time also takes its toll on vehicle performance and safety. During our comprehensive pothole inspection, our expert technicians will carry out an extensive check of components such as the tyres and wheels, suspension components such as ball joints, coil springs and shock absorbers, and steering components such as the rack and pinion and track rod ends to check for any damage caused by potholes. Whilst your car is with us, we will also conduct our standard free express visual check to ensure that its other vital features are in order too. So for peace of mind after the long dark winter days, take advantage of this convenient check of your car.